हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू शिमीज किचन। आज हम बनाएंगे ट्रेडिशनल हैदराबाद स्पेशल मटन मलाई पाया। इसकी ग्रेवी एकदम क्रीमी एंड डिलीशियस बनती है। पहले हम पाए को अच्छे से गला लेंगे और फिर हम इसकी क्रीमी ग्रेवी बनाएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाह। In a pressure cooker, add 2 to 3 sets of paya. Goes in 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. And now I'm going to add 800 ml water, या उससे भी ज़्यादा आप ऐड कर सकते हो. Mix well. And now pressure cook for 12 whistles. 12th whistle के बाद आपको 10 मिनट तक इसको स्लो फ्लेम में पकाना होगा. Heat 2 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Add 2 sliced onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. To this I'm adding 100 grams soaked and peeled almonds, 100 grams soaked and peeled pistachios, 100 grams soaked cashews. Give this a very nice mix. And next I'm adding 5 chopped green chillies. Mix well and fry this for a minute. Once it cools down, transfer this mixture to a jar. Add handful of coriander leaves. आप इसको skip भी कर सकते हो. Goes in 1 cup curd, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now close the lid and blend it nicely. Heat 2 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Goes in 3 cardamoms, 1/4 teaspoon Kalunji, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 3 cloves. Now fry this for a few seconds. Now add this mixture. And now cook this for a minute. And then I'm adding leftover water of this mixture. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Mix this nicely and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And now add the cooked mutton paya in this creamy gravy. Give this a nice mix. And now close the lid and cook for 10 minutes in a slow flame. And now open the lid, give this a nice mix. And again I'm going to close the lid and cook for 10 more minutes. And next I'm going to taste and adjust the salt. Goes in half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Goes in 1 cup fresh cream. Give this a very nice mix. And again I'm going to close the lid and cook for 10 minutes in a slow flame. Once done, switch off the flame. तो आप देख सकते हो क्रीमी रिच मटन मलाई पाया बनके बिल्कुल तैयार है। इसको रोटी या पराठे के साथ खा सकते हो, एकदम ज़बरदस्त होगा। इस रेसिपी को बनाने में 1 घंटा तो लगता है क्योंकि पाया का फ्लेवर जो है वो इस ग्रेवी में उतरेगा, तभी ये एकदम डिलीशियस बनेगी। So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. Share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And when you do, click that little bell icon. See you soon with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day. And thank you for watching.